This is why you need the King James Version of the Bible in your life today. Ready to be inspired? The King James Version, first published in 1611, is not just another translation. It's a beacon of faith, meticulously translated by scholars who sought to preserve the true essence of God's Word. For over 400 years, it has remained a touchstone for countless believers, unaltered and untainted. Its language is poetic, its message powerful, and its impact immeasurable. Through centuries of change, the KJV has stood firm, offering us God's promises and truths in their purest form. So when you read the KJV Bible, you're not just reading a book, you're experiencing a divine, uncorrupted connection with the Almighty. Keep your faith strong and your spirit uplifted with the timeless words of the KJV Bible. Let it guide you, inspire you, and remind you of God's unwavering love and wisdom.